and you go however far. So extend it or make a little bit turn that you reach somewhere. You arrive somewhere. The opposite character of the style is kun. This tree here. Then you have a fence, not a full direction, but on top, very closed kind of fence cannot grow. Or there's another character we learned before. If you remember, it's okay. Don't remember, you just get a warming up. Just get an idea. You can remember these three characters together. Bundle them, pair them up. Kun cannot grow. This one, you can grow, you can go as far as you can. Gone too far, and nobody can know where are you. You never come back. Different people, different little lambs. Then extend it to arrive. You want to go wherever you can go, however far you can go. The opposite, but the exact opposite is this character pronounced as chong. This is a space, or big hole, or big space. Space big enough is a small one is a hole. Big enough is a space, an area, right? This is the human body. Shen, gong. That arrow and bow. This provide the pronunciation. This provide. So this part and this part provide more. Many provide the meaning. When you're in a hole, moving forward, no way to go. Moving left, there's a rock. Moving right, there's a rock. When you go deep enough, you have nowhere to go. That's the situation of chong. No way out. This is you can go however far you can go. This is this is also kind of no way out. So that's how I'm saying you can understand, learn, study this character, or remember them together, even though they're pronounced differently. Da, kun, chong.